blessing tide upon your hand. No need for words, no need for gold. The heart knows truth when love is shown. In silence deep, in walking slow, the seeds of peace begin to grow. Each step a vow, each breath a prayer, each mile a bridge of gentle care. We walk for now, we walk for then, we walk for every woman, child. We walk with metta in our hearts. We walk where healing starts, step by step, hand in hand, sowing peace across this land. We walk with metta, pure and true.